watched a beautiful sunset this week. I spent a lot of time outside, a lot of time reflecting, and a lot of time just being. As the sun faded away this night, I realized that I've been given a gift. I've been given a gift to be able to see, to smell, to hear, to taste, to feel, to touch. I've been given a gift to wake up. Thank you for watching my video as I explore and create this channel to get it just where I want it. Hopefully I'm helping someone else in the process. Comment if you have any suggestions or just need to chat.